Hey guys, Jake Folmer here from Serenity and Brutality and Metal Music Discovery Australia. And today I'm reviewing for Kelly T's Black Metal Reviews, and this is a Australian band by the name of Awful Noise, and their album that is actually a split album with another band called Ignite the Massacre. Awful Noise / Ignite the Massacre album was released in September the 8th, 2017. And Awful Noise is a grindcore band based in Brisbane and contains the members Lyndon Fanes on vocals, Brandy Irwin on bass and backing vocals, Chris Perkins on guitars, and Pete Robertson on drums. And on the other half of the album is a grindcore band, Ignite the Massacre, actually hailing from Germany. And we have Jochen on bass, Andre Skopko on drums, Moritz on guitars, Michael Bulayan on vocals, and Andre on guitars. And what I can say straight away is the band is fast and hits hard. And whilst I wouldn't say that is Awful Noise, there is a huge amount of noise to it, which is waking me up right now alongside my morning coffee. Lots of energy and aggression in this album. I'm getting hints of like punk and necro and roll, like Cavalera Attack, very hard name to say, alongside your typical grindcore tropes, especially in the second half when the Ignite the Massacre tracks are on. I really became a fan of Ignite the Massacre's sheer aggression and really enjoyed the power they play with. I would love to ride a skateboard downhill with these guys in my ears with no knee pads on whatsoever, showing off their impressive German musicianship, but oddly enough they only have the one album with these guys debuting their elite skills. It's awesome to actually see so much talent also around the Brisbane music scene, and their split band that they chose was a very good mix to add to their aggression, with galloping fury and brutal melody that hits hard. The tracks follow a similar length to that of a punk band and really allows them to play fast, come in hard, and finish up all in the same time for you to be like, that's just bloody happened. With interesting track names like Chelsea Smiles for Camera, which is a reference to Chelsea Smile Band, and Cryptic Shit Smearing, adding some humour to their bill of tracks. And what topped it for me is a track called Ideological Conflict Fun War Solution. I love the wittiness of this band, and some of the names, it's just classic. These guys are really cool, and they're a band I would love to keep an eye out for if they're going to come play some live shows, and hopefully Ignite the Massacre actually releases some albums, because they're very talented as well. And thank you to Awful Noise and Ignite the Massacre for your awesome tunes, and the link to their Bandcamp and Facebook is on here, so please make sure you check them out and possibly buy some tracks off them. And a big shout out to Kelly T for letting me do another review for a page and channel. Make sure you also check out her page, and the link will be attached to this video. Stay brutal, guys.